In Bio 2, we are here to learn about inferences and observations and what's the difference between the two. So, if you were going to make observations about this picture, you would be using only your five senses. Since it's a picture, we're based basically on sight. So, right, I could say that it's a bird in a tree. The bird has a white head. So, bird, tree, white head. I've got yellow beak and claws. Those are all observations. To say that the bird is about to take off would be an inference. The observation would be the bird's wings are spread. The inference would be the bird is about to take off. So an observation is a description of an event or a picture or something using your five senses. You can have it be qualitative or quantitative. At this point, those should be very familiar terms to you. So qualitative describes those observations, while quantitative measures them, right? So if I was looking at a bird, I could say the bird is red. That'd be qualitative, but saying the bird is 5 inches long would be quantitative. An inference then is the conclusion or judgment you're making based on those observations. So if I had an observation that there's a liquid and it is clear and odorless, my inference could be that it's water. Another example here is that I've got 3 barrels. The ground under the barrels is brown. There's greenery behind the barrels, and the barrels are rusty. Some inferences could be that this ground is dark because the barrels are decomposing or rusting here. That grass cannot grow because of this rusty soil, and that this environment isn't healthy. So those last ones were inferences because I'm drawing conclusions based on what I see. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and post them on Google Classroom.